So for the last week now, I've been house sitting for this couple that I know. They're good friends of mine. They have 8 dogs and 5 parrots, and a fish, like a giant fish pond thing out in the backyard. Anyway, this is one of my favorite parts of the day. The dogs.
Are we ready to go out? Are we ready to go out? Right. Okay. So what I gotta do, you can still hear me, is I come out here, before I let them out, I come out here and I just double check that the main gate is closed, and I can see that that gate is closed, and I know that one's closed. That way that they don't run out, because the whole property's fenced in. All right, calm down, calm down, calm down. Calm down. Come on, you guys. All right, they're all free. Let's go. Come on. Peyton, you want out too? There you go. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Even more. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. All right. All right. All right. All right. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Come on. Ah, tear up my feet every time I let you all out. Scratch my legs. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Get off of him. Pulling his hair out. Hmm? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. All right, go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Here we go. You got to be careful, man. You'll step on these little guys. 8 dogs, 5 birds. Make sure I don't step in dog shit. And then I have these fish to feed. Oh, a little full. Need to turn the hose off. Good reminder, otherwise it would have overflowed. Look at all those guys. All right, let's go cut that hose off. Get. All right. Are you still messing with him? Are you still messing with him? Huh? You pulling all his hair out? Oh, you pee all over the place, huh? You pee all over the place. You little fatty. They just bug the crap out of you, don't they? They just love you. They love jumping up and pulling your hair out. Mm-hmm. Quit eating the flowers. Let's go, come on. Let's all go back inside. Hey! God damn it. God damn it. Oh, they've cleaned out his food. I always forget to close that gate because Peyton has more food in there and they will go in there and eat it all. Little bastards. All right, let's go into your cages. Watch this. This is the best part. They all know where their cages are. I use these milk bones to get them to go in. Oh. I got milk bones. I got bones. Come on, let's go. All right, where's Grandma? Who's in this one? Is that you? Back off. I can't see it. Let me see your ass. Come here, come here. Yeah, that's you, that's you. There you go. You're already waiting in yours. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right, who's in this one here? Is that right? Let me feel. All right, good. All right, now we got one in here. Yeah, that's you. That's you. There you go. Who's down here? Yeah, that's you. That's you. There you go. And then I got one right down here. And that's you. There you go. And that's it. That's how I take the dogs out. They all know their own cages. So you've got 4 generations here. You've got great grandma, grandma, mama, and daughter. And the other 3, I don't know. The white sheep, don't know about those 2. And you've got, obviously you've got female, 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 male. And I honestly don't know if that one's a male or female. And then Peyton over here is a male. Peyton, come on, bud. Hey, buddy. You wanna go back inside? Get you some food? No, you wanna stay and play? All right.
So aside from these dogs that I have to watch, I've got 5 parrots to feed every day and clean up after. And they hate me. They're vicious. They're warming up to me though because I've been feeding them peanuts. But it's, it is what it is. And then there's the fish that I have to feed every day and check the water in the pond. But other than that, I just have to take care of the animals and then kind of just make sure the house doesn't burn down. So they come back on the 5th, and then I'm back out in the van.